welcome to my channel. My name is Rye. I asked you guys on Twitter and Instagram last night what video you'd like to see next, and you guys said you wanted to see a get ready with me, so I'm excited. I also asked you guys some topics on both social media accounts, and you guys gave me a bunch. So I'm gonna try to talk about what I can while doing my makeup, and let's get started, because no one likes a long intro. Alright, so first topic. Let's see. So I knew 2018 was going to be an interesting year. I graduate, and that means that I will be starting school in the fall. I want to become a professional makeup artist, esthetician / nail technician, almost as a starting point, just because I have so many interests in my life, and I just thought that that would be like a starting point. So I will be busy, especially now I will be working 2 jobs, not just one, but I'm still going to be bringing you a video a week, no matter how hard it is. I really want to make this a quality channel. I really want to impress myself, know that I'm doing as well as I could. But no, I'm really excited to see what happens to this channel. I don't think it's necessarily about how many subscribers we get this year, or if I get the big break or whatever. I really don't, that's not the goal. It's just to be proud of myself for doing this. It has opened up so many doors for me that I never thought were possible, so I just want to continue like giving back, because it's given me so many opportunities. I'm using the Stila Stay All Day foundation in the color Fair. Although I am not fair, when I'm recording or taking pictures, my skin comes up very an odd color. So I found that this foundation works best for pictures and video. I will be taking pictures today, so gotta go, Sonic. I don't know. I'm excited for what this year has in store for my channel and my life, and just everything in general. So second topic, Vance Joy. This was the most specific question that I got. I was just like, Vance Joy, and I was like, yes. I love Vance Joy. I've always been a huge fan. Even before Riptide, I really love his music and everything, and then I found out that he's coming out with a new album, and I died. I hardcore died. Alright, so next topic. I've been posting a lot on my Instagram story about musicals lately. If you didn't know, I used to perform a lot. I was in like 3 or 4 musicals a year when I was younger, from like the age of like 8 to, no, even like younger than that. Like I started musicals when I was like 4, but I didn't like do it like consistently until I was like 8. For about 4 years. It took up a lot of my time, and that's completely fine because I enjoyed it so much. Once I started getting more of a job and life started happening and school became more of a priority, I didn't have as much time. There was a lot of issues that happened during that time as well in my life. I had to make the choice to not do theater anymore, and it was a really hard choice. And I really wish I hadn't completely cut it out. I wish that I would have just been like, I'll just do 1 show a year, but I did, and I regret it, honestly, because I loved it so much, and like I still love theater so much. I love everything about it. I just don't have time, especially doing YouTube and doing everything that I do. What are some of your current favorite musicals? I have a lot of, so we're just gonna go on my Spotify and see. Falsettos, I'll play a song for you.
We've been together for 9 months.
10 months.
9 months.
10 months.
9
10
months.
We are the salt of the bourgeoisie.
While I put the steak in,
I bring home the bacon, and we're proud to say we love it. How we don't agree.
I cried for 20 minutes straight. Not even kidding. And if you knew me, you would know I'm not a crier whatsoever. Obviously, Dear Evan Hansen, but I did find a song. I've listened to the album a few times, maybe like fully through, well enough to know a lot of the songs, but I had never noticed this one song called Words Fail.
Words fail, words fail. There's nothing I can say except sometimes you see everything you wanted, and sometimes you see everything you wish you had, and it's right there, right there, right there in front of you, and you want to believe it's true.
Heather's
I am damaged, far too damaged, but you're not beyond repair. Stick around here, make things better, 'cause you beat me fair and square. Please stand back now, little further. Don't know what this thing will do. Hope you miss me, wish you'd kiss me, then you'd know.
Almost forgot to mention the Rocky Horror Picture Show.
How'd you do? I see you've met my faithful handyman. He's just a little brought down, because when you knocked, he thought you were the candy man. Didn't you, friggin'? Don't get strung out by the way I look. Don't judge a book by its cover.
We'll zoom in. It's so pretty. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and like add in some like really jazzy music here because I can't talk and do my eyebrows, so I'll be back. You guys had asked me a lot in the comments of my previous videos to do an everyday makeup because you guys know that I really like bright colors. I really like oranges and purples and pinks as a base color to my makeup. So I'm gonna use the Cartier Smoky palette. This is my absolute favorite palette. I use it almost every day on everything. It's $29. It's so worth it. It's so worth it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Tasty one, and then I'm gonna also use this one. So we're gonna first go into Tasty, the darker orange. Alright, the next topic is, you mentioned something about working out, question mark. So I occasionally, like once a year, will work out for like a month. And I'll do really well. Like, it'll be consistent, or I won't work out and I'll eat really healthy, but I never do both. Just because of the way that my life is. And I'm not very good at being consistent. I really am not at all. I don't do well with being consistent. But if I get into the ring of things and I have a schedule every day and I'm doing the same thing every single day, then I get really well and I get really into it. But that also becomes an obsession, and so I have to watch out because I had an eating disorder for 4 years. So I really have to watch that I'm eating enough, I'm eating healthy enough, and I'm only working out for the amount of time that I should be working out. 30 minutes is the limit because I know that once I start pushing myself, it'll become an obsession, and I can't. And I know that it's a very dangerous thing to start working out and doing this with the past, but I'm really bracing myself, and I'm really, really remembering that I love my body, and it's done so much for me, and it's made me who I am, and the cool thing about this is I'm not weighing myself. Period. I haven't weighed myself in a couple months. I don't know, but I know that I've gained a little bit of fat in my face and my stomach, and prom's coming up and my dress is a little tight, and so that's my goal, is to make that dress not tight. I'm not weighing myself this entire time. I refuse. I don't need to, because it's not about losing weight. It's not about that. It's about gaining muscle. It's about just removing the fat from your body and making it healthier. That's the way that I look at it. Okay, so I'm gonna do a wing looking down, which is really difficult, so we're gonna watch this fail. This video is gonna be an hour long, like I'm not even kidding. So I have a question for you. Comment down below a video that you would like to see, a topic that you'd like me to talk about, something that you'd like me to do, anything at all, and I will do it. Maybe. So then I'm making this channel fully for you guys like I had envisioned and like I want to do. But sometimes my mind gets a little dry and I don't know what people want to see and I don't know what to make. I'm not currently at that moment, but I would really like to see what you guys would like to see with this channel grow and prosper, etc. I just went like this and it got on the current and it's white, but it's fine. Alright, for the lip color, we are using my all-time favorite color, as well as a NYX. I use a lot of NYX makeup products. I use a lot of NYX products. I'm using now the NYX retractable lip liner. So, yeah. Okay. Now we use the color, it's So Mauve, I think? It's Your Mauve by Vicente once again. It's Matte Crush. Obviously I love this because I've almost used it all. Look how that color just like makes this look all come together. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you'd like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I would love for you to join the family. I make videos every week to help you get through life, and so you guys know that you're not alone through hard situations, and that you're gonna get through life better than you did yesterday. Alright, I love you guys so much. This video has been fun. It has gone on for a complete hour, so let's see how short we can get this video down to. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. In the middle of the night.